is Arden and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm dressed homeless, like my makeup is done, hair is yet to be decided. It depends on my outfit. I don't know if you guys saw the haul, if you did not go and watch that haul. So I got a bunch of jewelry from Amazon and I had this really awkward piece that I thought was cool, but now I do not know what to make of it. So today I am going to be building an outfit entirely dedicated to that one piece, and if it looks good, it slays. Like, it's in my head, it's looking good, but I don't know how it'll look when it comes to real life. So yeah, let's stop wasting time. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, listen up. For the top, I have this top. Yeah, I don't know what this phone wants from me, but for the top, I have this top that you have seen 100 times on my YouTube channel. But today I'm going to upstyle it. So what I'm going to do is flip it ulta and then just tie this part and then tie the hands, and just like that you have a cute DIY top. So yeah, I'll just do that and come back. Right now I look like I'm going to eat some fancy food. Sorry. Okay, so I have the top on and this is what it looks like. This is my shorts, house shorts. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the back and this is what it looks like in the front. I pretty much like it. It's just that I am finding it extremely uncomfortable to breathe because it's a little bit tight here. But I can breathe. It's not like I would die if I didn't breathe. Yeah, so this is what the top looks like. And now I have no place to hang this mic. I don't know where do I hang it, but okay, we'll figure that out later. Now for the bottoms, let me show you what I got. I have these super flared pants. Like, these are like cotton everyday formal wear pants. These are my mom's. I robbed it from her when I came to Bangalore. So let's style these and see. Like, it pretty much looks nice this way, but we'll know only if we wear it. So I have the pants on and this is what it looks like. These look really nice. Like, my vision is visioning. This is what the pants look like. It's just that I have a really big bob. Without it, it would look something like this. Still pretty nice, but it's fine. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Now let's fix our hair. I'm gonna do my hair off camera because this phone has no storage, so I don't want to like not have storage for the main part. So yeah, my hair looks so nice this way, but I have no spray that could like hold my hair like this, so I know I have to like do something with it. I can't just leave it like this. It looks bomb though. Okay, I'm done with my hair and this is what it looks like. I really wanted to do this sleek ponytail, like back pony, but my phone is acting out. Anyways, yeah, I wanted to do this sleek ponytail, but mind you, I have like straightened my hair 4-5 times and it's in the worst condition ever. It doesn't look sleek at all. It looks like I just got electrocuted. But yeah, this is what we have ended up with, and now it's time we add on our jewelry. For jewelry, I actually have two options. One is this gold stud or this tiny earring. I do not know which one to choose because the neck piece is really heavy, so I don't want my ears popping out like that. I don't even have like a stud earring to put. So these are the only two options I have. Okay, so for now, I think I'll go with this jewelry. For my hand stack, I have this. So I'm wearing this on one hand and this golden watch on the other. So I'm wearing my watch on the left hand. Okay, I have my watch on and now I'm gonna wear these two cuffs. Now there's a problem with this one. It does not close. Like, it keeps opening up. Now it's not opening, but yeah, it keeps opening up. So I have to manage that. I actually cuffed it a little higher so it does not fall out. So far, this is what my hands look like. It came out. Oh my god. My earrings are also done. Now for the star of the show. Don't ask me what I was thinking when I got it. I was not in my senses. This is the piece that we are styling. Look at it. It's all over the place. Hands are hurting. These bracelets are killing me. This is what we are styling. This is what we are working with. So in my head, it looked nice. I do not know because it's a turtleneck. I felt like it would look nice. It looks like I'm going to a dance competition. So this is what the neck piece looks like, and I think these earrings pretty much go with it. Like if I put the gold ones, it would look too much, but this is fine. And also because of the turtle neckline that it has, this piece like really flows with the outfit, and this is what it looks like. Remove the earrings because I thought it would look extra. I am very indecisive. So this is what the final fit looks like. I am still not sure about the chain. I don't know if it looks nice. Like now I have question mark everywhere. Like if I had a black blazer with it, it would look really nice, but I don't have anything black. I'm still gonna try to find something. I don't have a jacket, but this is what the final outfit looks like. It looks like from the back, and this is what it looks like from the front. This is the complete outfit. I don't know where will I go wearing this, but I did try to save this chain. I don't know, I tried something. I kind of feel it looks good. I kind of don't also. So I have no clue. That was it for today's video, you guys. I just wanted to style this one piece of jewelry and save it, but I don't know what's the outcome. This is what I've tried. So, but I must give me points for the top because the top looks really nice. It's just that I'm a little uncomfortable because the sleeves are short. But if your sleeves are long, then this top would really look pretty nice. So yeah, that was it. I got ready for nothing. Anyways, I will meet you guys in the next one. Bye.